All right, everybody, I got some OTC charts to finish off the week with. I'm not a financial advisor, so take it for what it's worth. And when I reference charts, I use the yearly and reference the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving average. First one is ZNOG. This one's been on my watch list and been rising continuously. Closed at 57 cents, continues its way up the chart, and looks like 60-cent test is definitely incoming. I'm expecting some consolidation at some point. Stocks just don't continue to go up without, taking a pause. So, but I think it will probably test the 60 first, and when it does consolidate, as long as it stays above 50, I really like this one going forward. Next one is EULIF, 32 cents. I love how it's held the 20-day moving average on its way up. It's held strong, started its push off the 20, and it could test 40 near term, in my opinion. XERI, I've highlighted this one. It's been up and down this week. Closed at basically 2 cents a share. It pulled back to test the 20-day moving average. When it does that and it bounces, there's a lot of eyes on this, and that's where a lot of bids are. So it came back. It tested about 1.5 cents or so, and it bounced, and it looks ready to test the highs of 2.8 cents a share. CWGYF, this one kind of came out of nowhere. It closed at 9 cents yesterday. Really woke up this week and it had this surge up the chart. It looks like 13 is where it could be testing next if the buying continues. Keep an eye on this one. I'm not sure why it's running all of a sudden, but buyers are jumping on board, and sometimes these can really go for a ride. The next one is DTREF, closed just below 15 cents a share. Really strong support on this one now after it got pushed down from the 30 cent range. The 20-day moving average really has been really the culprit here. It's been pushing us all the way down, but it seems to have found support. The 20-day moving average is sitting at 17 cents, and I think if it can get a surge above it, it can run up, and it could test the 200-day moving average at 22 cents, pretty quickly. Once you pop that moving average, they can go. I'm going to end it with BCDS 008. I've highlighted this one before. It's pulled back from its move above a penny, but it came back and it tested the 20-day moving average, and it held like a champ. I love to see that. So you might see a push above a penny heading into next week. 012 I think was the highs. So a lot of times when it has a pullback and it touches a moving average and it bounces like this one has started to, then it's like the next leg up. It can move higher next time. So hope you enjoy these videos. I'm getting a lot more subscribers all of a sudden, so I appreciate any comments, likes, anything. Check out some of the other videos because I've had some real runners of late. So have a great trading day, everybody, and I'll see you soon.